Hello! I hope you're all having a really good day. Welcome to our series called Let's Chat with Pasal. I'm Robbie, and on today's video, let's meet one of my very charming students, Thúc.
Good day everyone, my name is Viên, and I'm 22 years old. I just graduated from International School, Vietnam National University. And my major was International Business. I'm now working as a business assistant in an education company.
Thank you so much for joining our little talk for today.
Oh, my pleasure.
Bao, I know that your major was international business and you just finished your study at international school. So I can bet that English plays an important part in your career, right?
Yes, indeed. English is now playing a crucial part in my job. My daily work includes communication, dealing with the foreign customers, and translating paper from English to Vietnamese. So it will be very difficult for me to finish the work without English.
I noticed that your English is very natural and very clear.
Thank you.
Would you mind sharing your English journey with us?
Well, I have to admit that at first, I didn't like English at all. I thought it was so difficult to learn. You know, because it's a foreign language. But then everything changed. Back then I was into a video game. My favorite video game was the two. So one day when I was playing video games with my friends, I met a girl from America. And she was very pretty. And I just wanted to talk to her, but I wasn't able to speak English. So I set myself a goal to speak English fluently, just so that I could communicate with foreigners.
How long had you been studying English before you really started taking it seriously?
I started learning English when I was 9 years old. But back then, I had no idea about IPA, intonation, and how to pronounce English words correctly.
That's very impressive, compared to what I see your English now. So, what did you do to improve your English?
Like many other students, I really love using Facebook to collect all kinds of useful information, and one of them is English. I found a video of Mr. Thúc, the creator of a pronunciation workshop on Pasal fan page. I found it really helpful and super easy to catch up with the American English pronunciation. So I downloaded all of these videos and other learning videos on Pasal fan page to my laptop, so I started to learn from there.
So, how did you know about Pasal and why did you choose to study here?
When I was looking for an English center to study, one of my friends introduced me a demo class of Pasal, so I gave it a try. It was mind-blowing. The class was extremely fun. Surprisingly, I learned a lot of new things without any pressure. The teacher was energetic and caring. So after the demo class, I registered in a T course at Pasal, and no longer than 3 months later, I realized that my speaking skill had improved significantly.
I have no doubt that your speaking now is very good and sounds really natural. You should be proud.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any advice for other students who are about to enter college?
Sure. At first, I wanted to say congratulations on the first achievement. Now you're about to enter a new adventure at the university. Don't hesitate to learn English. Learning English will help you to get a higher paid job, a bright future in your career path, but it will also give you more chance to know about the world and to make friends with foreigners and communicate more effectively with other people from all over the world. And one more thing, come and join us in Pasal to fulfill your dream as I did.
Thank you so much for joining us in this interview. I wish you all the best.
Bye-bye! Bye!